Hello folks, in this tutorial I will demonstrate how to create smooth surfaces using XNURBS, a powerful tool in Plasticity 3D. Firstly, draw the splines, sketch the shape of the object you are going to model. In this situation, I'm modeling a communications device. Take great care when drawing the splines, this will save you precious time later in the project. I block out the basic shape of the object. I use the patch tool or XNURBS for difficult patches. Find the center point here, draw a spline, then imprint onto the sheet. I use this method to create the curves for the smooth transition between surfaces or forms. Use the bridge curve tool with G0 tangency and G1 to create a spline that looks correct. Basically, the same technique is used to create the spline cage to apply XNURBS. One of the key tools here is bridge curve. Press the F key, then B. At this stage, I begin building the XNURB patches. Nothing complicated, just select the edges, experiment with the settings for best results. XNURB's algorithm does a great job to produce a smooth shape. Take a look at the control verts in wireframe, try to keep the degrees reasonably on the low side. Proceed building the other patches using the same technique. XNURBS does most of the hard work. Most important point here is to keep your splines well drawn, as few control points as possible. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. Hopefully you have increased your knowledge of XNURBS within Plasticity 3D. Essentially, that's basically how to use XNURBS to create smooth patches and transitions between shapes. I'm happy with the end result. This object is now ready for manufacturing. Take care, guys. See you in the next tutorial.